Every viral video starts with one thing, the hook. But here's the problem. Most people think a hook is just the first sentence of a script. That's simply not true. A great hook is a combination of psychology, visuals, editing, and timing. If you only ask AI to write me a hook, your videos will probably still flop. My name is Harry, and in this video, I'll show you how to build hooks that actually keep people watching. From researching successful videos, analyzing why their hooks work, to creating a proven hook blueprints you can apply to your own content. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, the best way to learn how to write a great hook is by studying successful content. Instead of guessing what works, look at hooks that have already proven they can grab attention. That gives you ideas you can adapt to your own videos. Throughout this video, I'm going to use a real example so you can follow the entire process step by step. Let's imagine you're a company that sells meal prep containers and you want to create content for YouTube or TikTok to promote your product. Now, I chose this example because it's a very ordinary product. If I simply told you, write a hook for a meal prep container, you probably have no idea where to start. It's not an exciting product by itself, and that's exactly the point. Without research, you're basically creating content blindly. You don't know what angle to take, what people are interested in, or what has already worked. That's why research should always come first. Normally, this means spending hours searching YouTube manually. But don't worry, we can use AI to automate all of that work. The tool I'm using is ChatGPT Work. It's an AI assistant that can control your computer and perform repetitive tasks for you. For this tutorial, I'll be using a research project that I built. It includes all the necessary skills, prompts, and files that allow the ChatGPT Work to understand the task and automatically research viral videos for us. If you're wondering where to get this project, don't worry, it's completely free. I've shared it inside my free Skool community, and you'll find the link in the description below. If you need help setting everything up, I've also made a dedicated tutorial that walks through the entire installation process, including the technical setup like connecting the YouTube Data API. I'll leave that video in the top right corner if you'd like to follow along. Once everything is set up, it's incredibly simple. Just type research viral videos about meal prep containers. It will automatically search YouTube, find the top performing videos, and give us a list of great references to analyze. Since these videos have already proven they work, they give us a much better starting point than brainstorming from scratch. Now that we've found successful examples, it's time to break down exactly why their hooks work. Let's take a look at this video, which has over 30 million views. As you can see, this video is only about 16 seconds long, but the hook is already doing all the heavy lifting. What I want to show you is just how fast a hook works. Sometimes, you don't even realize how much information is being delivered within the first few seconds. There are two obvious hooks in this video, and this is exactly why AI often struggles to analyze hooks correctly. Most people think a hook has to be a voiceover, but that's simply not true. In this video, nobody is talking. The hook is completely visual. The first hook is the camera angle. It's a first-person shot showing someone holding the salad jar with both hands. Right away, you know what product is being presented. The second hook is the text on the screen, salad jar restock. The typography is clean and artistic, which helps catch people's attention as they're scrolling through social media. But that's only the first frame. If you look more closely at the first 3 seconds, instead of opening the jar from the top like you would expect, the video immediately shows the jar opening from the side. Why? Because that's the product's biggest selling point. The creator isn't trying to explain every feature, they're immediately demonstrating the one feature that makes this product different. By opening from the side, you can eat directly from the jar without transferring the salad onto a plate. In just a few seconds, viewers instantly understand how convenient the product is. Later in the video, they'll show additional features, like the sauce container on top and how the salad is assembled. Those features are important, but they aren't what stops someone from scrolling. The first 3 seconds are reserved for the product's strongest selling point. That's how a hook is constructed. Now, you might be wondering, why are we analyzing a salad jar when we're trying to sell a meal prep container? The reason is simple. These products solve a very similar problem. One is a salad jar, the other is a meal prep container. But they're both food storage products. That means we don't have to copy the product, we copy the marketing strategy. Now, let's take a look at the second video on the list. As you watch more examples, you'll naturally start getting more ideas for how you can present your own product. If you pay close attention, you'll notice something interesting. Just like the first example, this video doesn't have any voiceover or script. It's purely visual storytelling. That tells us that for this type of content, you don't necessarily need a text script. Sometimes, simply showing the process is enough to keep people watching. Let's break down why the hook works. The entire short is about meal prepping, but the hook itself only lasts around 2 seconds. It's even shorter than the first example. The very first frame immediately shows the final result, which is the finished meal prep laid out on the table. Instead of making viewers wait until the end, it gives them a preview of what's coming. That instantly creates curiosity because people want to see how the creator got from start to finish. But there's another important hook that's easy to miss. This video isn't just about meal prep, it's about healthy meal prep. You can see that from the title, which says, "Healthy meal prepping doesn't have to be boring." Right away, viewers know what benefit they're getting. The influencer also reinforces that message visually. He's muscular, looks fit, and points to his muscle within the first second. Without saying a single word, he's communicating, "This lifestyle works." In just 1 second, the video tells you a surprising amount of information. It shows the finished results, establishes the health benefits, and builds credibility through the creator himself. The music also plays an important role, but we'll save that for another video because choosing the right music is a topic that deserves its own deep dive. For now, these 2 examples are enough to create a simple blueprint that you can follow. When I say blueprint, I mean the overall structure of your hook. You don't need to reinvent every hook. Instead, use the same structure and simply change the product, recipe, or presentation. That's how creators consistently produce hundreds of videos without starting from scratch every time. So based on these 2 examples, here's our blueprint. First, don't use a voiceover. Both videos rely almost entirely on visuals, so let the footage do the talking. Second, think about your camera angle. You have 2 main options. You can film from a first-person perspective, or you can have an influencer appear on camera. If your goal is to highlight the features and convenience of the meal prep container, then the first-person style is probably the better choice because the product stays front and center. If your goal is to promote a healthy lifestyle, then the influencer style works really well because viewers can immediately connect the product with the result. Of course, you don't have to choose only one. You can create both styles and see which performs better. Now let's talk about the first 3 seconds. If you're following the first-person style, simply show the product's best feature immediately. Don't overthink it. Put a short piece of text at the top, something like meal prep routine or meal prep restock, and then immediately demonstrate the product. That's it. Notice that the first example doesn't even use background music. It's literally just 2 hands showing the product in action. Simple is often all you need. For the second style, start by showing something that represents a healthy lifestyle. It doesn't have to be someone flexing their muscles. Just show something that instantly communicates health, then reveal the final meal prep result. Since you're promoting healthy meal prep, the end result is what people want to see. Once you've identified a framework that works, keep using it. It may feel repetitive, but consistency is exactly how successful creators build content. If a format is already working for other creators, there's a much higher chance it can work for you too. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this type of content and want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.